Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 16 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. I'm gonna go grab a drink, so let's come with me and then we'll do the farm. Let's go. Hey everybody, this is Larry, and clearly from my voice, I am a little off. This is Larry, day 16 of Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. And hope y'all have a great evening. I'm a little bit late. Hope you enjoyed the intro. I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. I am here in Buenos Aires. Just discovered the night scene a little bit, and some of you might know that I've been training hard, so I have not been drinking for a long time, so yeah. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the fun footages. Let's take a look at today's farm. We have 1513 number of substrings with only ones. Okay. Given a binary string s, return the number substring with all character ones. Okay, I mean, I think this is like a much easier version of something that we talked about. I mean, there are a couple of ways. I think two main ways that I always like to do this kind of thing, right? And what I mean by that is that if you have like just, first of all, you could delimit them by 0, right? You could separate out those 0, and let's just say you have ones. Then now you can say, okay, well, this one, and then on the next one, there's 2 because of link 1 and 2. So then you have like right? So you could do this summation, or if you recognize this, then you could just do the math, right? And that's really the two main ways. And I naturally usually try to do it this way as much as possible, just because it's more natural. And of course, if there are changes, then you don't have to change you would have to change the formula, but you just have to change how it's like building the components, right? For example, and this is a very dumb example, right? But it's just an example of what you can do is that, okay, maybe you want to count it, I don't know, from both indexes for some reason, right? So, or something like that. And now instead of that, you have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus ... And then now you're like, well, then how do I get the formula? Well, obviously, in this case, it's just this times 2. But like here, you don't have to think. You're just like, okay, we have to do the formula. Because then now, okay, well, let's say all the indexes are distinct, then you have this. But then, and you actually double count it. Where you double count it, like, okay, so for example, if you have index 1 and like the substring from 1 to 2, it counts as 1. Maybe 2 to 1 also counts as 1 because it's a weird problem. Leetcode has weird problems sometimes. But now you're double counting something like 3 because, well, you reverse it, it's still the same thing, right? So then now instead of having this formation, you just have like if statements, and then they kind of this. And of course you could still figure it out because it's just this minus the number of uniques. But their formulas. That's just like my brief explanation of why I prefer to do it this way. And the way that you can kind of I think we did this to like either 2 days ago, 3 days ago or something, right? Actually, yeah, maybe. Well, yeah, I guess I did, but it was yesterday. These days are long. But yeah, the total, you have streak is equal to 0, right? For C and S, if C is equal to 1, we increment the streak, and then else, and then L streak is equal to 0 because it's 0, and then just total add streak, and that's it. pretty much. And you could kind of work out why, right? Yeah, because if you just draw it out, then when you have a streak of 1, then you have 1, and you just go with the degree of freedom. My voice is very painful right now, so hopefully, you know, that makes sense. This is clearly linear time constant space, more constant if you mod earlier, I suppose. But yeah, I guess 5 years ago. That's long. That's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the intro. Not too much effort, but some effort into it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.